Hello and welcome to a vidéo des ventilateurs du Québec. This is a Havells Speedster, 75 centimeters in glossy brown color. It was made in India in 2020. It's got 4 metal blades. The canopies are both plastic. Here's low speed. Of course, being so small, its slow speed is already very fast, doing easily 125 or 130 RPMs here. But this is no surprise. These little fans are designed to run at very high RPMs. As a matter of fact, we see a lot of these little spinners with 4 metal blades. They have gotten extremely common in the past 20 years or so. The only difference though is that we always see them in 60 centimeter. This is a 75 centimeter model. A very rare and uncommon size for this style of ceiling fan. We also see a lot of small spinners with metal blades, 90 centimeters, usually with 3 blades. So usually 60 or 90 centimeters, but it's very rare that you would see a 75 and in between 75, so a pretty interesting and uncommon size here for a metal bladed spinner here. Very quiet. It does move a little bit of air at that speed already. Here's the second lowest speed. I'm already getting a pretty good breeze out of it. It's difficult to estimate the RPMs on such a small fan. I would say here it's probably doing around like 180, 190 RPMs. It's already very fast. Here's the second highest speed. We can hear that little helicopter sound from it. Very, very fast already. Wow. I'm guessing this is at least 250 RPMs. Probably somewhere between 250 to 280 RPMs. Very stable little fan, doesn't wobble much. Doesn't have much of hum either, just that helicopter sound on higher speeds. It's of course a very light-weighted fan, very light. Probably one of the lightest ceiling fan I have. Pretty good air movement. Wow. I'm getting quite a strong breeze here. It's supposed to be 780 RPMs. Obviously the speeds are much more comparable to that of a portable fan. It's essentially like if you had a 75 centimeter high velocity portable fan but on your ceiling. I don't know if anyone would really have a use for such an insane speed, especially considering the amount of noise it creates on that speed. The air noise on high speed is really comparable to what you get out of a portable fan on high speed. It's a very, very cute fan. The proportions are just perfect, much better than the 60 centimeter model, the common 60 centimeter that we see all the time. At least with a 75 centimeter model, the blades extend just a little bit more out of the motor, so it looks a lot better proportionally. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video of this 2020 Havells Speedster 75 cm in glossy brown color. Et voilà, j'espère que la vidéo de ce Havells Speedster 75 cm de 2020 fini brun lustré vous a plu. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.